Today is Thursday, Parashat Vayetze. The parasha of this week begins with the vision that Yaakov has in his dream, where he sees a ladder with angels going up and down. One Midrash explains why were angels going up and coming down. And the reason is because in Shamayim, in heaven, there is a likeness of each person in terms of his potential that he's able to achieve. A person here doesn't always fulfill his potential. And the question is, how close does he come to fulfilling the potential that really is within his reach? And in the case of Yaakov Avinu, the Midrash says that the Malachim would go up, they would see his likeness, they would come down, they would say the exact same likeness. In other words, he fulfilled in this world the potential that he has as a person. Well, that's quite a concept, because each of us is endowed with certain talents, certain qualities, certain abilities. The question is, are we using that potential to really serve Hashem and do things the proper way and help people and do what Hashem has granted you as your qualities to really fulfill their potential? And the question is, how close are you to that likeness that represents your potential in Shamayim? In the case of Yaakov, it was exactly the same. The angels will go up, see him up there, and then come down, they see the same person down below. They say, what's going on? That's what going up and coming down. Interestingly enough, in the end of the parasha, Yaakov Avinu encounters angels again, except there is a difference. In the beginning of the parasha, it's a vision that he has in a dream. At the end of the parasha, he actually sees the angels while he's awake. What happened in between? Well, in between, Yaakov Avinu got married to Rachel and Leah, and he had children with them. He had 6 children with Leah, and he had Yosef with Rachel, and he had children with Bilhah and Zilpah. And the idea is, when a person is not married yet, he's not complete spiritually. But he gets to be complete and he reaches a higher level after he gets married and he meets his match, and which will help him to be in a position that Yaakov Avinu is able to see the angels not in his sleep and not just in a vision, but actually while he is awake. And this is a parasha that tells us really the importance of founding a family, just like Yaakov is doing here. And the idea of beginning of the parasha, he sees him in a vision. The end of the parasha, I can see them clearly. He's already married and has a family. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.